Oh yeah, baby, we have non-farm payroll and the week full of red folder news. Let's break this down. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. sharp, we have ISM, manufacturing, PMI. I would highly recommend you trade after 10 a.m. tomorrow. However, there still is a possibility that you may or may not get a good setup prior to 10 a.m. However, more than likely, we may or may not just chop around until that news driver hits. Tuesday and Wednesday, I would recommend following the same structure. Wait until that 10 a.m. news driver hits before waiting to enter a trade. Again, I'm not saying you can't get a setup. All I'm saying is more than likely the market probably will chop prior to 10 a.m., but there still is a very small possibility that you may or may not get a good setup. But even then, even if you do, just for the simple fact that the news driver has not hit, you may get manipulated out of your move and then have to deal with seeing the market run to your TP. Thursday, we have unemployment claims at 8:30. A lot of people tend to not trade the day before non-farm payroll just for the simple fact that price tends to consolidate and not really do anything, saving the volatility and the huge, erratic market moves for the big final boss day non-farm payroll. Me personally, I will still be trying to look for a trade. I'm just going to be cutting back on the risk. Friday, we finally have non-farm payroll. I would highly recommend waiting till after 10 a.m. to pop a trade for the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. Just for the simple fact that, the market's going to be very volatile. It's going to be very erratic. And if you can, manage your risk effectively, cut down your risk in half. If you're going to be trading on Friday, I would highly recommend just cutting back on the risk, waiting for that A+ setup to form and present itself, as on Friday we should expect some sort of huge expansion move to the up or downside.